Lot number 142 is a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. This one has 108,000 original miles. It's got the 5.9 liter gas engine. Engine sounds good. It's been running for about 30 minutes. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages, but the AC blows warm. The AC compressor has not engaged the whole time I've had the car running. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear the engine. Sounds good. Here are the miles, pretty hard to see. It's got 108,000 original miles. The body shows minor dents all around. Passenger side fender and door are both dented. Right there and down here. Driver's side door is also dented and shows surface rust. Right there. Driver door has a bigger dent. The front bumper is dented and it's missing the plastic trim on top. Hood is also dented and shows surface rust. And the paint is peeling and faded. And let me try and find the dent here. It's got a couple of small dents, nothing major, but it is dented right there. All right, the utility bed on this one looks rough. Like 3 doors don't even open. It's got a lot of paint peeling. It's got a lot of dents. Every panel's dented. This one opens. This one does not. And you can tell that it's coming apart at the bottom. This one opens, but does not stay closed. Neither does that one. The floor in the bed looks solid. It's got a heavy duty ladder rack. This truck was used for fencing, so it was carrying heavy stuff up there. All right, passenger side. Little bottom door here is dented. It opens and closes. This top door does not open. It looks like it has the hinge is dented here. One side wants to open. Oh, there it goes. I got it to open, but it feels very rough. And again, this one opens but does not stay closed. So I mean, maybe this is fixable, but it does show wear. Body's dented right there. Interior shows plenty of wear also. The dashboard is very cracked. Most of it is gone. The whole bezel is missing. Passenger seat looks good. Driver's seat is torn, and so is the armrest. The headliner's torn and hanging. I can smell burning oil as the engine warmed up, but this truck has been parked for a long time, so any seeping out of the valve cover gaskets or anything would cause that. It's not smoking, but I did smell burning oil as the engine warmed up. It has not overheated. All the gauges appear to be working. Everything looks good. The temperature's really low. And the AC is blowing hot. Steering wheel is worn. Rubber mat still looks good and may clean up. And the door panels look faded. All right, there you have it. It's a Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. It looks rough, but it sounds good. Motor sounds good. Transmission engages. It's only got 100,000 miles. It's lot number 142. Lot number 142. Good luck.